Have you ever dreamed of owning your own car wash business and enjoying the financial freedom and business satisfaction it provides? But before we begin, we'd like you to consider this. Over 90% of businesses have been shown to fail within the first 3 years. The reason is, owners have to go through a considerable amount of learning curve in operating a business. Unfortunately, most are left in the dark to defend for themselves in the face of competition. Luckily for you, now we can eliminate this grim possibility of failing as a car wash business by becoming Express Car Wash franchisee. Welcome to Express Car Wash. Cars are our passion, and cutting-edge automobile cleaning and detailing techniques along with our attention to detail is our mantra. Express Car Wash is the prompt and convenient car cleaning service. First of its kind, which serves the purpose of the fast-paced society we live in, where people want their car cleaned in the shortest possible time by a professional, while they enjoy a cup of coffee and watch their car being cleaned professionally. Express Car Wash is a brainchild of Man Machine Group, the most successful organization in professional mechanized cleaning solutions and services in India. A drive to revolutionize the concept of car cleaning in the country, create clean car culture. Express Car Wash being launched in 2010. From one center, now expanded our wings to cover over 12 centers pan-India. With over dozens of locations and still expanding, and over 2 decades of successful experience in the industry, ECW is one franchise that is committed to seeing your car wash business succeed. Our full-service interior and exterior washes, exterior only, express detailing, provide multiple profit centers all at one location. With 70 to 80% of our visitors returning to Express Car Wash, provide the unique and delightful consumer experience.
In a drive to revolutionize the concept of car cleaning in the country and create a clean car culture, the concept of Express Car Wash was launched by Man Machine. Why Express Car Wash? We are in a growing economy. We are in an economy where we are producing more than 2 million cars every year. It's a limitless market. In our country today, people are becoming time poor. Both husband and wife are working long hours. It's very common to have more than 2 cars in every family. So where do people go and wash their cars? Express Car Wash is a very structured and scientific way of cleaning a car. This entire process has been designed by Man Machine Group, having 24 years of cleaning experience. To strengthen our network, we are looking at entrepreneurs like you to come and join Express Car Wash. But why should you join Express Car Wash? You get to work with an established brand, having 24 years of experience only in the cleaning business and having a nationwide presence. We support you on everything from the start. Putting a drawing for you, giving you equipment, giving you uniforms, giving you accessories, giving you training, giving you manuals. We make a lot of value additions on a regular basis. For example, we just added paint protection. You get to sell car accessories. You even have an insurance desk. By these innovating ideas in the cleaning business, we ensure that you will have more and more profits in years to come.
Our franchising leadership team is led by a powerful lineup of executives with more than 100 combined years of franchise and car wash experience. Our key advantages: nationwide chain of car wash units, well-defined process for car cleaning, underbody cleaning, no gantry lift, saves time and money, eco-friendly chemicals for cars, highest quality results. Be a part of the team. Be a part of Express Car Wash. We are here to help you shine.